In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix esoteric fatal error failed to load IL2CPP in just few easy steps. So let's start writing. From your desktop, click on search and type virus and threat protection and open it. Now in virus and threat protection settings, click on manage settings. From here, scroll to the bottom and click on add or remove exclusions. Now click on add an exclusion. Now locate the game folder. In my PC, it is in C drive program files 86. Team apps common, and here it is. Just select the game folder, then click on select folder. After this, close it. And from your desktop, click on search and type smart app control. From here, select off, then close it. After this, open up Steam and go to the game and right click on it, then click on properties. Now from left, click on installed files, then click on verify integrity of game files and wait for its completion. When all the files validated, then your problem would be fixed. So that's how you can fix esoteric fatal error failed to load IL2CPP in just few easy steps.